Yo, what's up guys? I'm Easy back again, and I just got back from vacation, so I'm about to clean out my car because it's absolutely trashed right now. But it's been a minute, so I wanted to let you guys know what's been going on. If you remember, I told you I needed a caliper for my front passenger side brake, the one that I just replaced in February. So I went and checked that out, and that wasn't a problem. But I did need a caliper, but it was for the driver's side rear. But that wasn't what I was feeling. What I was feeling was a warped rotor on the front passenger side. So in addition to the caliper for the rear, I had to get new rotors, and obviously I got new rotors the whole way around. And for the caliper, one of you guys said, I'll throw up a comment. One of you guys recommended TRQ for my calipers, so I went with them. So far, it's holding up pretty good. It's been maybe about a month, and actually, my vacation was like a 500-mile road trip, so they held up pretty good. And along with the TRQ brake calipers, I went ahead and got TRQ brake rotors, and I got drilled and slotted. Let's check them out. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. My brake pads were still good, so I kept those on. Those are carbon ceramics. I didn't get around to throwing the bag on yet, so I got these dusty things, but that's okay. So after I did that, I did get the wrap for the trunk, but it's too hot out here, man. I did tail light, as you can see. Looks pretty good. Well, it looks good from a distance. Up close, there are tons of imperfections, like literally. Yeah, so what happened was I was putting it on here. So I was like putting the tint on here, and it's a vinyl film, just like the wrap would be, and just like the wrap is, because I do have it. And I'll show you. I'll insert a little clip here. Yeah, it was just so hot. It was so hot out here. I was spraying it with the water, and my water was just evaporating in like, no time, like 5 seconds, if that. So, it was really not just ideal conditions to do something like that. And in addition to my water evaporating, the film itself was just really, it was like the sun was, hitting it with the natural heat gun, and it just wasn't doing the stuff that I wanted it to do. So I'm gonna wait till it cools down a little bit to do the trunk, because yeah, you gotta have ideal conditions to wrap stuff, I guess. So yeah, I think that's all I got for you today. I do got some exciting news coming up, and I do got another giveaway. I know you guys don't care about that. Maybe you do, and you just are hard to reach out to once the giveaway happens. I don't know. But yeah, 500 subscribers. We at like 348 right now. That's what I like to see. Check out that tint again. It does look good from like a distance, honestly. Like in traffic, you wouldn't be able to tell. But that's all I got for you. It's been real. You've been realer. Peace.